Okay, so this is your Chromebook's desktop. It's not like a conventional desktop from a computer or laptop. So how it works here is at the bottom, you've got your bar with the different icons you can click on. So if you want to go to Chrome, Gmail, your Docs, YouTube. Now I'm going to scroll up. I'm just going to drag this up. If you drag it up just a tiny bit, you can do a search. You can use the last files that you used. You can also completely drag it up, and you can see from the two dots here, there are two pages. So these are all the different apps right here. And if I scroll up once more, I get a few more of those. Now you can also reorganize them. So if you want to put, for example, sheets before docs or so on and so forth, you can do that very quickly. Now, if I want to launch Google Drive, I can just click on here and this will launch it in a browser window. Now, what I can do here is very simple. I'm going to open up a file by double clicking on it, and I'm going to save this to this Chromebook. So how do you do that? Well, you go to File, you go to Download, and I'm going to download this as a Microsoft Word. I'm going to click on that, and it tells me that it's downloaded. I can show in the Finder to see where it's at. So let me just minimize this, and you can see right here the document I've saved. So it's going to be in my downloads. I've also created a folder here. So let me just, first of all, get rid of this. So I'm going to get rid of this. So you can just select documents that you don't want anymore, and you can just trash them and confirm. So let me just create a folder. So you can't right click in here, but you can alt click, which will let you do things like create a folder. I'm going to call this one school. And then to organize things, I can drag my files into the school folder, just like that. So pretty simple. Again, to get to this, you just drag your finger up, go to your files, and then you'll have access to your files. You can have your images, your audio, your video as well. So I'm going to close this down. And the second thing I'm going to show you is how to change your settings. So if you want to change the background color or anything like that, you click on Settings here. Now, in settings, there's quite a few things. You can change your Wi-Fi network. You can change your Bluetooth if you want to connect some speakers or headphones. Connected device, if you've got an Android phone, you can connect that. You can also sync your account. You can set up your security and automatic sign-in. And then on your device, you can look at your touchpad and configure that. You can enable to click. You can change the speed of it. You can go for your keyboard, your displays. Now, if you click on your display, you can have it be a bigger or smaller size of screen. You can even turn night mode on automatically. So that's under display. You can storage management, your power, change your account image. If you want to change to a different image that it gives you, you can use your own image, or you can use predefined images in here. You can change the wallpaper. So this will let you change the background color. You can go for any one of these settings in here. And then let's go back to where we were. So I'm just going to close this down. So that's under your wallpaper here, under personalization. Now let me keep scrolling down right here. Then you can manage your app. You can go to the Google Play Store and so on and so forth. There's even a little advanced tab that lets you select your time zone if you want to use the 24-hour clock on your Chromebook, and privacy and language and so on and so forth. So pretty simple. It's a very, very impressive little computer. Now, when you want to log out, all you have to do is click down here at the bottom and you can sign out. It also gives you a few information like little, the last information that you had showing up on your computer, last little update. You can change your sound. You can make it brighter or darker in here. And you can turn those notifications here on and off. And then you can basically shut down, you can lock it, and you can go to your settings, which we saw earlier, same settings that we can go to. So there you go. This is a very quick tour of your Chromebook.